We got 3 dome products from Whitestone. Whitestone dome glass are famous and we have reviewed them before, and these are for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These 3 are Whitestone dome case, dome UV film and dome glass. In this video we will look at one product and we will make separate videos on the rest. Links will be in the description. In this video we are looking at Whitestone dome glass. This is the box. It says Whitestone dome glass for Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has highlights. It also says it is patented product. Now let's unbox. There are many accessories, UV lights, cleaning materials like cleaning cloth, dust removing sticker, etc. and a jig to hold the phone. Under the jig there is another piece to hold the liquid cylinders. There's a razor, foam sticks for liquid absorption, instruction manual, a piece that goes on top to hold another piece, that is a pin, 3 liquid bottles or cylinders, black stickers to close the phone ports and holes, and last but not the least, 2 dome glasses. Now we put the jig here and insert the absorption sticks inside. We close the ports and holes of the phone with black stickers. Now we have to put the phone in the jig. We can put it from the back side of the jig. Now we can put the piece on top and use the cleaning cloth and dust removal stickers to remove dust from the screen. We can place the bottle holder on top and pin on top. Now open the small bottle of liquid, the colored cap, and place it on top of this liquid holder. And then open the bottle from the back, the black cap, to pour the liquid. Now leave that for 30 seconds. Now remove the bottle and proceed to take out the dome glass. And carefully place it on the jig and rest it on top of that pin so that it won't fall on the display. Now tilt the jig and let the liquid come to the center. Once it is in the center, remove the pin from the top and let the glass fall on the phone. Now let the liquid spread for 100 seconds. Even if there are minor bubbles or gaps in the corners or anything, it's okay. Just follow the process. It will heal itself. Now place the eraser on top of the dome glass for about 30 seconds. Now use the UV light and do the curing on top, middle and bottom for 15 seconds each. Now remove the phone from the jig. Now use the UV light for curing 60 seconds on top and 60 seconds on bottom. Repeat this once more. And that's it. Now when using it, it works well and it is smooth and responsive. S Pen also works fine. It is better to re-register your fingerprints. Remove all the black stickers on the edges. I also put on a case. If you haven't watched the case video, link will be in the description, do check it out. Even with the case on, the dome glass is good and doesn't have any issues. Now this dome glass is available on whitestonedome.com at $47.99. That is approximately 4,030 rupees. So that's pretty much it for this video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this? Like or dislike the video, share it with friends or enemies or both. And remember to subscribe to GreedyTech. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.